Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. If you want to see me get this gorgeous, and when I say gorgeous look, y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned and make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of this look and if you would rock it yourself.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Okay, so in this video, I am starting off with skincare, which is something that I don't usually do in my videos. So this is actually footage from a Facebook Live. So if you are not liking and following my Facebook page, make sure you do that. So in this particular video, I went through the botanical effects system with everybody on camera, and then we did this amazing makeup look. So I used the cleanser, the toner, and the moisturizer, okay? And I do, sell these products. So if you guys do not have a proper skincare routine, definitely reach out to me. You can leave a comment here, or you can contact me on Facebook or Messenger on my page. All of that information is in the description bar. But having a skincare routine is so important. We beat our faces and slay and all of that, but the makeup only looks as good as the foundation, okay? So having a nice skincare routine is really going to make that makeup be as flawless as possible, okay? So after I applied that, I went in with this serum, and I am so in love with this serum. We actually have a newer version of the serum out now, so I might do another poppin' products video and show you guys the new serum. So for the eye look, I went into this NYX palette. I believe I got this one from Kohl's, and I used this BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm pretty sure I got this one from Kohl's as well. So for this look, I wanted something colorful. Typically when I go live on Facebook, I don't really have an idea in mind. I kind of, ask the people for recommendations for, color choices, and then we just create a look based off of these suggestions. So here I am applying some eye primer, and I was just showing you that I put it in that little container. Now I'm going in with some concealer to kind of carve out my brows. I did apply those off camera, but I do have other videos of me doing my brows, so if that's something that y'all want to see, definitely check it out. Because I wanted to add a lot of color, I did apply some of that NYX eyeshadow base in white all over my lid to kind of brighten up that area so that the colors would show up. I did use, the yellow and the purples and all of that, and using that eyeshadow base just really helps everything stick and stay, and it helps it pop. I am so happy to be celebrating a new year. I hope your new year is going great, you guys. It's a lot of things going on in the world, so I just pray that, we get through this, and that each day, everything will get better and better. So now I'm going in with like this turquoise blue. And in my lives, we talk about like a lot of different things. Sometimes, of course, we talk about skincare and makeup, but sometimes we talk about TV shows and, you know, what's going on with different celebrities and all this different kind of stuff. I just really like to have a fun, good time. And I try to condense those down into a video for you guys. So definitely, if you want to be a part of the conversation and participate in the live, definitely, you know, be present. I am going to put out a schedule. We are in the new year and I am still teaching online. So as soon as I get my classes and stuff situated, I will post a schedule for when I will be going live to do some, you know, live makeup and skincare sessions on my Facebook page. Here I'm just cutting the crease, you know, the way I like to do it, where I cut the crease and wing it out. And I'm using that white NYX. After I have it on there and nice and smooth, because you don't want that product to be clumpy. After I have it nice and smooth, I'm going to start packing my colors on it. And at this tail part of it, I've got a smaller brush so I can really, you know, pack it on that tail. So having I wouldn't say a huge variety of brushes, just a few different, you know, some thin, some small, some fluffy, you know, so that you can really pack those eyeshadows on, but also so that you can have a little bit more precision as well. So I use those two brushes, like a fluffy brush and a kind of flatter brush, to get in that thin area on the outside. For the middle part, I just went in with kind of like a fluffier brush and just packed that blue on. And with this being, you know, a cut crease, you can just go back and forth with your colors, pack it on until you get your desired intensity. And I like to kind of go back and forth with the colors and kind of overlap them a little bit so that they will blend. Here I'm showing you my Itz Sirap glitter that I'm going to be applying. And with this, I'm just going to kind of outline that crease. And I'm using like a smaller brush for this as well. I like to go into my glitter primer and do like a line of that. And then I apply the glitter on top of it. And I use the same brush so that the glitter can stick to the product on that brush. But this brush that I'm using is like a smaller angled brush. You can also use like an eyeliner brush, anything that's, you know, small enough to get in that area. Typically when I do these looks, I'm not really going anywhere. So I don't think I went anywhere for this look. I just, you know, did it for fun. And that's my glitter again. So here I'm going in with some eyeliner. And this one has a felt tip. So I just put this on and removed any fallout from the eyeshadow or fallout from the glitter. Then I went in with my foundation primer. And this foundation primer is amazing, you guys. It makes your makeup look flawless and last for a long time. Then I went in with the lip primer, and that makes that lipstick stay on all day and it helps, you know, get rid of any like lines or wrinkles on your lips. Here I'm just applying some foundation. Then of course I'm going to highlight, contour, all of that good stuff. You can't have an eye look like this and you're not highlighting and contouring. Some people like to just apply one shade all over their face and go, but I feel like highlighting and contouring, it really just makes the face have that dimension that I feel like is really needed. So if you don't know how to highlight and contour, if that's the reason you don't do it because you don't know how to, definitely check out my videos. I love it. If y'all need a one-on-one class, hit me up on my Facebook page so we can, you know, get you booked for one of those as well. This is a Real Techniques brush that I also got from Kohl's. They had a big sale back then. This footage is from a while ago, but they had this big sale and I got a lot of Real Techniques brushes, the sponges, and some BH Cosmetics makeup palettes. After I get that under eye area, I like to set it. And you can set it with a brush, with a sponge, really up to you. I definitely recommend to try different methods because, you know, some things work better for certain people. Then, you know, we got to blush, contour, highlight, get those cheeks as snatched as possible, okay? Go along that nose, get the nose all nice and chiseled. And these highlighters are amazing. They are still my favorite. These were a limited edition back then, and I do believe I still have one of each left. And they just look so amazing. I like to mix them together and use them. One is a little lighter and one is a little darker, so I like to mix them. But they were created, you know, one for fair skin and one for darker skin. Then of course, before my mascara, I went in with a primer, lash primer. So in this particular live, I believe that the people were surprised about all of the different primers. The foundation primer, the lip primer, the lash primer, and using primers is great. It helps your application go on smoothly, and it helps it last longer, and it helps it pop. So if you are not using any primers, definitely, you know, think about that. All of the primers that I used in this video, the foundation primer, lip primer, and lash primer, are Mary Kay products. So if that's something that you guys are interested in and you don't already have a Mary Kay consultant, definitely let me know. I would love to be your Mary Kay consultant so we can get you snatched, get you all primed up, okay? So now I'm going to go in with some of my lashes. And this lipstick was new at the time. And when I first saw it, I was like, would I wear that? And when I put it on, I fell in love with it. Of course, I cannot forget to apply my brow powder. For some reason, when I go live, I always forget to do this step, so I went back and did it, and then I popped my wig on, and that was the look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Always keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.